Alright, here we go. So, in the last one, we elevated and we did make install, okay, and copied and everything else like that. So OpenSSL should be done. Now it gives us some configuration options over here, okay. It says most users will want to install a certificate. Also, for example, certificates can be used by Git, curl, and wget. Okay, when accessing secure HTTPS protocol sites. Now, Google has not been so friendly, and I'm not going to do OpenSSL on it. OpenSSL is better than straight HTTPS is better than straight HTTP, but I'm not going to install it. Okay, so let's back out of this, and I'm going to go down here. I'm not going to configure it, rather. Let's go back up, and I need to remove quietly open SSL. Okay, exit, and I'm going to jump back up, and let's move open SSL to old. Oh, move OpenSSL all to old. Okay, good deal. Nice and clean, nice and clean. And let's jump back over here. After OpenSSL is done and the patch, we have to install the certificates. This takes a little time. It's not that it's very hard or anything. It just takes a little time to do this part here. So just pay attention. Stay focused. Grasshopper. And we'll get through it. So onto the certificates. Okay. And you find that by jumping back in OpenSSL and scroll down a little bit. You'll find that. Okay. And here I want to pop this window up big. So let me say. Okay. You don't really have to be in any directory. Well, you have to be in your sources directory, where you have the stuff, stored. Right where we were. Okay. Right here, next to cert data. And certificates. The public key infrastructure is used for many security issues in Linux system in order to... So we need it. Let's go. First, get the certificate, which we have it. Which required OpenSSL. We just installed it. Optional wget. Okay? We'll install that later. It says first, create a script to reformat a certificate in a form needed by OpenSSL as the root user. Okay? So let's do that. Let's say I want to say vim instead of cat. Bin. Oh, I need to be root. To be root. Vim. Bin. Make cert.pl. Make cert.pl. Okay, good deal. Now this is not what I usually do. I usually type everything up. This is it's kind of like an ad hoc thing. It's not really. I'm not really going to do it again or learn anything about it. So I'm just going to copy this out. Okay. So Control A, escape. Enter copy mode. And we just want to copy this stuff out here. Okay. Don't go past the window. Alright. And we'll say enter. Now Control A, and Control A, close bracket. We'll paste it. Yeah, screw it up. Can't screw it up too much, but it's good enough to screw it up. Okay. So I'm going to say write it now But now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to empty this file out because my paste just didn't work right. So let's say quit. This is the time consuming part here. And let's say echo nothing, or a comment into bin makecert.pl. Let's open it back up, delete that input, and let's copy this again. Let's drag this out, enter, Control A, close bracket. There we go, that looks better. Alright, now before we move, I'm just going to stay here, move this down a little bit, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to toggle in between of both my windows, okay? So here I'm toggling, and I'm just looking at, taking a glance at every line and seeing if anything pops out of place. Okay, no need to read line by line and just check it over. Just toggle and see if anything jumps out. Right? So that's it. Now, let's get to the next part. Control A, escape. Oh, don't go too far. And let's say enter. Let's drag this out. Okay. Actually, escape again. Went a little too far with that. Popped up a little bit. Control A, escape. Come all the way back up. And we'll just drag this out. There we go. Enter into the buffer. Toggle. And I'm hit I. Oh. Let me give myself a little room here. Okay. And let's paste it. Control A, close bracket. Good. And like I said, we'll just toggle. Toggle and see if anything pops out. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. The next part. Control A, escape, enter copy mode. Come all the way up here to the corner, and we'll pull this out here. Don't get the EOF, alright, if you didn't cat into it, you don't need the EOF. Enter, Control A, Control A. Give myself a little bit of room. Control A, close bracket. Okay. I'm just going to shore that up and just toggle out. Alright, looks good. Now I'm going to take and I'm going to write this, quit it, clear. And it says here I have to change mod that script. So I'm going to say change mod plus X. I like to see reviews. Done. Alright, on to the next one. We have to cat into a bin make ca.sh. So, let's say vim bin make ca.sh. I to enter, okay, and we'll just toggle back over here and we'll just start copying this stuff. No need to learn it. Not this anyway. It's only a one-time thing. I've never seen any other LFS. So there we go. Enter to go to the next line. And let's drag this down a little bit. That was perfect. And we'll just look at this. They're all comments. It doesn't matter. Okay. And next page. Control A, escape. This is the lengthy one here, I think. We got this. Drag it out. Into the buffer. Control A, Control A. And we'll just shore that back up where it's gotta go. Let's cut some of this head off of here. Okay. Don't forget to hit I for input. I already did. Control A. Shit. Control A. Close bracket. Alright. So let's see now. Gotta come up a little bit. A little bit more. There we go. Just toggle back and forth. Make sure everything's okay. You'd hate to fail because of a stupid ass requirement like this. Good. Okay. So now I'm gonna write that. Gosh. I'm gonna write that. And I'm going to go to the next page. Control A, escape. And just drag it out. And copy into my buffer. Control A, Control A. Give myself a little bit of room. Come up about tight. And now we'll paste it. Control A, close bracket. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Escape. Write it. Skip down the next line, and let's do the next page. Control A, escape. Actually, went a little far on that. Enter. We'll drag us out. Into the buffer. Let's give ourselves a little room. And we'll drop it right here. Perfect. Just toggling. I screw up on this all the time. Several times anyway. I just want to make sure. Okay. Escape. Let's write that. And one more page, I think. Yes, last page. Control A, escape. Let's get this a little bit. Don't get the EOF. Enter. And let's say a little bit of room. Control A, close bracket. Okay. Certification stuff. Certificates. Okay. Good deal. So now let's write and quit that. And it says here we have to change mod that script. So we'll do that. Change mod plus X in verbose. Good. Next one. Cat into bin remove expired certs.sh. So let's flip back. We have to bin remove expired certs.sh. Okay. I to input. Was that right? Remove expired certs.sh. I don't know if that was right. Remove expired certs.sh. Remove expired certs.sh. Okay. Good. Alright, input. And let's say Control A, escape. Enter and drag this out. Stop here. And we'll paste it over here. Okay. Just take your time. Get everything lined up. And all you have to do is toggle. And just look, see if anything pops out. Good. Enter. Give myself some room. Let's pull this one down. Easy peasy, man. Easy peasy. Just check it out. I don't know if anybody's a painter, if they've ever watched Painters. If they ever watched the show, it used to be on PBS called Bob Ross. Well, it wasn't called Bob Ross, but Bob Ross did it. Guys, I remember how he used to paint. It's like, nice music. Happy feels. He's an old hippie guy with this big afro. And if anybody ever remembers too, let's read this. If anybody ever remembers him, if you ever remembered a similarity about him, at the end of every painting, he always put the biggest tree in the right smack in the middle of it and just destroyed the whole painting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys don't know who Bob Ross is. YouTube him. Excellent painter. And he's just so relaxing. Alright. This is it. Let's go. Too late to screw up now. Pull this down. And a little bit of room. Alright. Paste this thing. And let's look at it. Nice. Bob Ross is the dude, though, I'm telling you. You guys gotta YouTube him if you don't know what I'm talking about. YouTube him. Alright, good. So that's over with. Thank God. Let's write this thing and quit it. Clear? From here we can small upper window again, and we can say cert host equals http mxr.mozilla.org. Check it out. Source host equals http mozilla.org. Good. I'm not going to string these together. Cert dir is equal to mozilla libs Mozilla source security necess lib ckfw built-ins. Okay, and Mozilla Source Security. Mozilla Source Security, NSS, lib, lib, CK, FW built-ins. Okay. URL equals capsulate $cert host $cert dir /cert data dot txt question raw equals 1 cert host cert dir cert data dot txt 1. Good. wget, I don't have wget installed yet. That's okay. I really don't want to use these certificates for wget anyway. Right? I just wanted to have this around for OpenSSH when it pops up, and I just don't want my WPA2 supplicant to fail. So, clear, unset, cert host, cert dir URL. Good. Next line. Alright, I'm just gonna say make ca.sh and remove expired certs dot sh certs make cash remove expired certs dot sh certs. Takes a little bit of time. Just get we're gonna exit this. Okay. Okay. Alright, I know where I'm at. Let's say sudo. Let's say login. Telling me I was building this on the wrong side. Man. Sources, okay. Login. Okay. That denied scared the hell out of me. I almost wet myself. So, it's no biggie. We're still in the same thing. We're okay where we are. We have to say sudo su. Let's try to remove that expired cert certs dot sh certs again. Permission denied. I don't know. That's just a cleaning up thing anyway. We can figure that out later. Who am I? I'm root. I'm going to say SSL dir is equal to etc SSL. Okay. And I want to install directories verbose $ encapsulate SSL dir certs and copy verbose certs / all dot pim to encapsulate SSL dir / certs. Okay. Enter. Copy verbose. Say clear. Let's say copy verbose. Oh no. Equals that. Okay. Now we'll go to the install line. Certs. Okay. Copy verbose certs all dot pen $ SSL dir / certs. Okay. C underscore rehash. Okay. Now it says install BLFS bundle all.crt $ encapsulate SSL dir / ca bundle dot crt. Okay. And unset SSL dir. Okay. And let's remove verbose certs BLFS bundle all. Okay. Okay. Now let's see if we can remove the other humans way up there. Let's see if we can remove. Expired. Certs. SH certs. I don't know what that's about. Okay, I think we're okay. Alright, so we got the certs. Everything is good on that. What's our time looking like? 22 minutes? 29 minutes? What else do we have to do? We have certs. Blah blah blah. Alright. We're on port 3. Let's stop this and we can whiz through with wget, which, and curl, PCI utils, and we're almost there. Alright, so thanks for watching. Have a good one.